again, we are talking to a lot of novices. We're talking to a lot of first-time buyers. And that's going to be effectively what you're going to want to see. Now, the Kawasaki does have some safety features that are included in it. One of them is the off throttle control, and the off throttle control for Kawasaki does kind of annoy some people. It certainly has annoyed me, but it does serve a purpose. And you have to kind of step out of yourself and go, okay, well, why is this here? All right. It's the idea of you're walking through a field and you see a barbed wire fence, and you either go, well, there's a barbed wire fence in my way, and I'm going to jump over that fence because I want to go this direction. Or you're the kind of person who goes, someone put this fence up. Maybe I should figure out why. And the old joke to the axiom is that there's a bull on the other side of the fence, and the guy who's annoyed that there's a fence in his way gets chased by the bull, gored by the bull, whatever. So anyway, the reason why Kawasaki has the off throttle, the reason why that exists, quite frankly, is to mitigate some behavior, because human behavior a lot of times will be to completely chop the throttle. I mean, absolutely let go of the throttle, like, ah, and they put their hands up, and you can't avoid an impact by letting go or chopping the throttle on a jet ski. You need to give it some throttle and move the bars and move that ski out of the way. So why that off throttle feature is there is to give you a little surge of thrust to maybe help you get out of the way, to move if you're coming up on a dock, if you're coming up on another person. It's to help you move. It's to help you get out of the way. That, again, there's a method to the madness here. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.